Hey guys, I hope you are doing good. So in this video I will be telling you automation which I have created to apply for jobs. So basically when you are looking out for job, you go to job portal and then you search for job and you apply. And sometimes you have to go around 30-40 jobs per day to apply and then you get a call back, right? So now to find those 30 jobs, keep applying, it takes a lots of effort. You have to look out for them. So I have automated that process. So what basically I have automated is this is an Indian portal where we apply naukri.com, and over here what my bot will do is it will go and search for the job and the profile that I want to search now. For example, it's RPA and the location that will be Mumbai, and it will click on search, and then it will click and apply from all these jobs. So what I have done is I have created a config Excel file where I have put the URL of the Naukri, the job which I have to search, the location, and the number of jobs that I have to apply for. It is 5 for now. I can do it 50, 100 if I want. And specific is something like in under RPA there are tools, automation anywhere, Blue Prism, UiPath. Now in specific, if I am mentioning automation anywhere, so what my bot will do is when it opens this job portal, it will read the description part. The description part it will read, and it will search for automation anywhere in it. If it is automation anywhere, only then it will apply. So that's what we can I have done in this, and if not required, then you can keep it blank. So I will run this automation and show you what my bot does. Okay, so this is the bot that I have created. It will first read the config file and then go to the job portal, search and apply. I have not kept the login part over here because it's my personal computer. I have not kept that. It's already saved the credentials, but if I want, I can do that as well. So let me run the bot and show you. For now it will apply only for 5. Now it's reading the config file. uh, it has read the config file. It has opened the portal. Now it will search for the job. It is taking time a little bit because there were certain windows which was coming up, so I have handled those windows. So it's searching for those windows. If it is not available, then it will search for them. Directly click on search. It has searched. Now it will click on each uh, screen and it will apply for the job. Okay, and if these screens come up, these pop up, if there is a skip and move forward, then it will click on those. Otherwise it will ignore this. It won't do anything for this, because for different jobs there are sometimes a different window comes up. So it's just applying. It went for the third, it applied. The fourth, it applied. So this is one of the easiest bot that I have created to ease myself to apply from jobs. So my bot will do it for me. It's just going ahead and applying for jobs. So as you can see, it has applied for 5 jobs, but if certain pop-ups come up, then for those handling is not done, because those are dynamic pop-ups. Any form can come up in that. So for those it won't apply, but the normal apply where there are no forms available, it will go ahead and apply for you. So this is the simple bot that I've created. As show you the bot, this is simple bot logic I have written, and hope you liked it, and let me know if you want any other changes or anything else that I should add in this, or you want anything that eases your life that we should create to automate, then let me know. We will create that automation. Thank you.